And now speaking to News 9 on Bihar elections, Anupriya Patel said that the mood of the people on ground is very clear. She highlighted that women along with men are voting in the favor of NDA and the state is going to give this campaign a big verdict. Let's listen in.
I am being joined by Union Minister Anupriya Patel. Ma'am, you have been on the ground. The large turnout of voters which could be seen. In fact, women voters have come out in large numbers and casted their vote. What do you see the mood on ground going on?
Well, the mood is very clear that the women, not just the women, but the voter in Bihar at large is casting its vote in favor of NDA, and that's on account of the 20 years of good governance, corruption-free governance, and development and growth trajectory of Bihar. Particularly if I talk about women who used to be locked up in their houses during the RJD 15 years regime, have witnessed a remarkable change in their lives. How this government led by Nitish Kumar ji as Chief Minister of Bihar has given them opportunities to bloom, whether it was the distribution of bicycles and providing them reservation in government jobs, or Sharab Bandi, which made a huge difference in the incidence of domestic violence, which women were the prime sufferers. So, and today the news, the initiative that the government has taken to give them 10,000 rupees seed money, and eventually 2 lakh rupees will be provided to every woman who wants to, the women group who want to start up their small business. So basically, women are seeing that this is the government which has the desire to make them self-dependent, and women want that change in their lives. So we are very sure, we are convinced that women voter who we have seen in large queues, long queues, they have voted in favor of NDA, and 14th of November when the results are out, NDA is going to be victorious with 2/3 majority.